Hi guys, welcome back to Scratch. Now, what we're going to do today is make a platform game. Now, first things first, let's delete this guy. Okay, so we're going to go to our sprites here, we're going to delete him, and we're going to get a new sprite. Now, we want a walking sprite. I'm just going to grab Giga Walking or Picker Walking. You know, one of these two are pretty good. Don't go Unicorn, just go one of these for now. Okay, now, what that does now is implement a character, a few pictures, so when we can actually show our character walking. We go back to our code and let's get this character moving. So first things first, I want to get my character moving from side to side. This is the easy part, and after this is where we're going to finish this video, because I tried this once already and it didn't work, as in I had to re-record it. So we want to basically put an if loop. So we're going to say if we're pushing a button, we want something to happen, and in this case it's going to be left and right. So we go to sensing and we put our button in. If key pressed, left arrow, we want something to happen. Okay, duplicate that. If key pressed, right arrow, we want something to happen. Okay, left arrow, right arrow. Now let's work out what we want to happen. So we basically want him to move 10 steps, and here we're going to move 10 steps. Now we're going to say point in direction and then move 10 steps. So let's point him in a direction. Left, this is right arrow, so we're going to make him go right. We're going to point in direction. And make him go left. Now the problem here is when I push start, he's going to move left and right. He's going to go from here, left. Oh, at the moment we only have this here. We don't have it happening forever. We basically said run this code once. We don't want that. We want to run the code this forever. Left. And that's not working at all. We didn't think it would, don't worry. It's yeah. Okay. Left, right. Now, let's bring it back in the middle. Why didn't this work? Now, basically what's happening is when he walks, it's rotating him around to turn him. We don't want that. We want to make it so basically he's rotating, he's just flipping on one direction. We do that in the looks, and we basically say when we rotate, what do we want to happen? Okay, now looks, next costume, next backdrop, change size, change color, go to layer, go to forward layer. We do want to change size in there, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking at switch costume. Because I can find it. Next costume, next backdrop. Change layers. Oh, set rotation. There we go. Sorry, it's in motion, not looks. Set rotation left to right. If we actually had it on this one, okay, all around, like none of this would work. We will basically want set rotation to left to right. So basically, when we walk, there we go. Okay. Now this is an interesting. It doesn't look like he's walking. So basically, what we want to do is when we move any steps, we want him to change his looks. So basically, we go next costume. Really simple solution for this one. Next costume. Now when we push start, you can see he looks like he's walk. I've got this backwards at the moment. Left arrow. Okay. There we go. Perfect. We have a working character. Let's just change the size to make him a bit smaller. Half the size will do it. And now we have this character walking around the screen. Okay. So that ends this lesson. I'll show you next lesson how to make him jump.